Why most people don't understand online business and how to fix that. Most people assume online business is complicated or risky. Let's clear up the confusion. Most people have no idea how online business actually works. Gonna fix that. If you've ever thought, I don't get it, you're not alone. I'm breaking it down today. Stay with me because I'm going to make online business crystal clear. Why most people don't understand online business, the myths and false beliefs holding people back. 1, they think it's just another scam. Too many fake get-rich-quick schemes have made people extremely skeptical. The difference? This is a real business model with actual skills. Success comes from strategy, not luck. 2, they assume you need tech skills. No coding, no fancy software is ever needed. If you can follow simple steps, you can do this. Everything is already built, done for you, just like plug in and go. 3, they confuse it with traditional business. There's no office, inventory, or even overhead costs. No employees, rent, or high startup costs. It's a completely different world from brick and mortar businesses. Have you ever thought online business was too complicated? Comment yes or no below. My next video, let's talk about you actually be doing in this business.